In this video, we're going to show you how to use some of the additional features. For starters, let's look at the sentencing grids by selecting grids. On this page, you can select each crime class and expand the grid to see all possible sentences. On this page, multiple grids can be expanded at once. Once finished, you can select back to the top to return to the top menu. Selecting guidelines versions shows you multiple years to select from. To view another year, select Switch Versions. Then you can expand and view sentencing grids as they were in the year selected. Multiple expansions can also be opened in prior years. Next, we'll look at the crime class located under Crime List. There are a few features here. You can see a list of crime classes. The underlined titles at the top of the list are also filter options. First, we'll click MCL. Scrolling down, you will see all options sorted by MCL. Next, we'll select Descriptions. Again, all options will be sorted by the title option. At the top, there is also a search option. You can search by the MCL or keyword. We'll search by MCL. Enter the number and select Search. The list will now be shortened by all MCLs that fit that number. You are also able to search the list by year by selecting Data Set. Also, by clicking the instructions, you can view a copy of the instructions at the top of the Sentencing Guidelines Manual. In addition to instructions, you can select definitions to view a glossary of terms for the Sentencing Guidelines Manual.